Hi there, welcome to NZ Electronics Repair. So this is a MacBook A1990 which is having problems connecting to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And in this video, we are going to show you how you can fix it. First, you have to remove these 6 P5 screws using a P5 screwdriver. After that, you have to grab a suction cup and pipes like this. Be careful, there are locks in this and this position. Then you have to push it outside like this. So first you will need to disconnect the battery. So this is the connector for the battery. You have to pull it like this, and then you have to disconnect this using a T5 screwdriver and gently pull it up for like around 45 degrees so that it doesn't touch it. So after disconnecting the battery, first I will remove the cover for the hinges. After that, I will go ahead and use a P2 Pentalobe driver to remove these screws. And after that, you have to remove these 4 screws using a T4 driver. Then after that, you have to remove these brackets which hold the display cable that's coming from the logic board. Disconnect these cables and remove this screw as well. That's how you can remove the Wi-Fi antenna. Insert this T4 screw here. Then you have to connect the screws for the screen assembly. Then go ahead and connect the display connector. Then go ahead, use a P2 Pentalobe screwdriver to install the remaining screws of the Wi-Fi antenna. And then lastly, install the brackets for the hinges. And that's how you can replace the Wi-Fi antenna on your MacBook. If you want us to do it for you in just 30 minutes, you can come to NZ Electronics Repair today.